All right, this is the elevator at the Market Street parking garage in San Antonio, Texas. It's all the way up on 9, and it's coming down now. The other elevators are getting modernized, so this one might be next. So we're gonna take a ride on this one before it goes. Bell doesn't work. All right. Let's go up to 9. This is kind of beat up. This one has a better view. Here we are at 9. Let's go back down to 1. This is either an old Dover or rather a ThyssenDover. This is like either a really late Dover or a ThyssenDover. These are the fixtures. Floor indicator's burned out. Phone is right there. All right, here we are at 1. Okay, and there it goes. And that is it.